Iona 5 agus a cólan ag oscail dúis an a bheolagálta an jirig hachcan. On hiadúir chai an tacharsta sa chomal an bala ian an siarach grin frú.
It's such a wonderful language of expressionism, but it did have a bit of a bad time, and so what we're trying to do is basically put it in front of people, of the media and the public, and I think it's working. You know, when you win a Scots Language Award, you can now go to a publisher and say, look, I'm an award-winning author, or you can perform and say, book me, I've just won an award at the Scots Language Awards.
Cholas Jiffergurnia a tashpana gan could skill and scrivi an artúlar.
Tuesdays be like the invisible man that's lost his powers, left him in the cludgy to roll among the skitters. By Tuesday, life sucked out of me, same way you'd sook for a frozen quenchy, till all the flavour was deed in the dregs.
Agus a mescan join a hook dúis siarad, but she ha gama enichte an a suil na Gaelic.
Wel, mae'r gael, ha mis mewn I think fel sy'n y tucsyn yn dylwgaif edrych can yn cwlter agos doi behe gwynia agos ha mis ook wel cwydr ymach cwydjach gyfel sy'n y bros nach y gynwn rwyt y hwf na halopus agos rwyt i'ch meisian yn yr gael achos y fynsgol fa sy'n y gwyns o'ch barst o'ch burns choma di barst o'ch horlia no i'n wych gyroen agos mis mewn gyfel sy'n cwydr ymach gyfel sy'n mochel gyfel ymwyd can yn Akin an an ALBA agus go bhfuil ule I chearstá adaí modaig agus éad anja.
Háisig na dúis an seo an dábhil is an Nigeria, agus lei sin se seo an cóicmh turas a had a tacharst. Ula go léir héit 3 díag a gúis an a háist teachad.
I'm often elected to one Scots Performer of the Year. I've been singing ballads and bothy ballads, reciting Doric verse and storytelling since I was about 7-year-old. I've been going to the Buchan Heritage Society and the TMSA festivals. All these organisations in the northeast of Scotland have I been doing their bit to keep Scots language and music and song alive. Even when I was a moody teenager goth that said, I didn't want to do this anymore. But I'm glad now as an adult I can still come and still have great fun.
Chanata inis gus an bí tachartas cultural albanach eile an a siarach grin frú a mád náisianta rígal. Andreas Wolf, BBC an lá an a balla iarn.